Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm out in some random nature reserve in Cornwall and I wasn't really planning on doing macro today. I just stopped off quickly. My parents dropped me off here and then they could pick me back up in an hour. So I thought I'll see how many photos I can get in an hour. It'll be a nice little challenge. I've never been here before, so I don't know what I'm going to find. I've just come across a couple harvestmen. They seem to be chilling right now, but they're not in a very easy spot to photograph. They're on top of stingers, but we'll try. I haven't actually got a photo of a harvestman this year yet, so that'll be quite nice. And who knows, I might spot something else while I'm kneeling down here anyway. Don't know if I can grab the stinger with my sleeve maybe to stabilise the shot. Oh, now they're both moving. I think that'll do for that shot. It's a bit awkward when they're photographing harvestmen because they just seem to always move about when I get near them. But I managed to get quite a decent composition there. Couldn't grab the stinger it was on to stabilise the shot, so hopefully the stack turns out alright. If not, I should be able to pull away a single shot from all those frames. But yeah, I can never seem to get a good composition. It's very rare that I get a good composition in one of those. Oh, I found a little beetle in a flower, which I think will be a really nice composition, so hopefully it stays there. Staying quite still so I could even get a bracket. Yeah, it started moving, so I think we'll stick with the single shot. It's absolutely roasting now. The sun's beaming. The sun's been out, not been out, the sun's been away all day. It's been cloudy and drizzly up until now. Now it's actually like really hot, so yeah, I wasn't too sure what the bug activity would be like today. I don't know, I think this is a hoverfly, but it's mimicking a carder bee or some sort of bumblebee. Hopefully this doesn't get disturbed by this. The sun's beaming, so I've got to stand this way slightly. It's landed on here now. Need to shade him. Anyway, I actually set up my camera here to get a picture of this beetle over here. Which way is the sun? I'm going to sort of face my back to the camera a bit just to block the sun here. I'm trying to shoot at a top down angle because these are called thick-legged beetles and the name is pretty self-explanatory. That stack might have worked. It is moving around quite a bit. Every now and then it stays a little bit still. So on this purple pinky flower right here, there's a tiny little wasp looking thing. And this will be great to shoot at 2:1 on this lens. I haven't actually shot at 2:1 yet today. And because I'm at 2:1, I'm going to go 1/32 on the flash. F11, 1/200 shutter speed. And hopefully it doesn't fly away. And it's a bit of a spiky plant, so I'm going to get my sleeve out and then touch it. And the reason I'm grabbing the plant is because at 2:1 it's very hard to stay still. The sun's actually there, so I need to sort of block it a little bit. Luckily this wasp isn't moving much. Come a little closer to the ground so I can get the background in. Nice and colourful. Yeah, I'm going to take my time with this one. I know this video is about getting as many subjects as possible in an hour, but this is a subject I've never really seen. I think we've got like 20 minutes or something left. I don't know how many photos I've taken, quite a few. And that one there was pretty special to me. I never really found a wasp like that, apart from one ruby tail wasp, which I got an alright photo of not so long ago. Yeah, I'm not actually sure what that wasp was. I know it looked sort of similar to a ruby tail wasp. I don't think it was, I'm not sure. But if you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Right, so I just found a bee on this pink flower and it seems to be pretty still. I'm going to shoot slightly more magnified than 1:1. It's moving around a bit now, which is a bit annoying, but in the meantime I'm going to try and get some single shots of it moving around. Oh, it's flew off now. Problem with the sun is that it's brighter than my flash, and because I'm using quite a slow shutter speed to get the background in the shot, it's causing motion blur. So I'm going to have to block the sun a bit, like this, and I could maybe even use my jeans as the background. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna get a photo of it. Not quite sure what that is, so if anyone knows in the comments, let me know. Just finished getting a picture and now it's moving around. Perfect timing. I think I'll leave that now. It's running like crazy. That is one of the main things in macro. You've got to be quick because you can be photographing something and then next minute it's running around like crazy. And I've just spotted a robber fly chilling there. We'll see if we can get a photo, but I highly doubt it. Nope, Not only did I miss the chance to get a photo of that robber fly, my camera fell on the floor. Great. And we got about 10 minutes left of this hour macro session. So if you watch this channel, you know I'm not from Cornwall, I'm from Birmingham. Yeah, problem with Birmingham is that it's a bit of a city, you know, while it's a city. Not a lot of nature. There is sort of nature on the outskirts, but with Cornwall there just seems to be nature everywhere. But yeah, this holiday I've mainly been in the dunes doing macro photography, and now I'm in some actual grassy area for a change and seeing what that's like. And I just found some little caterpillars on these yellow flowers, so we'll try and get a photo of that. I've already got a photo of these this holiday, but we're doing a little challenge to see how many photos we can get anyway, so in an hour. So I thought I might as well photograph them. Got quite a nice composition here with it curled up and eating a bit of this flower. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are larvae of burnet moths or cinnabar moths, one of the two. Just going to hold the plant for stability because there's a big gust of wind coming in out of nowhere. Might get slightly more magnified here. Might even get a bracket. I know I wasn't gonna originally, but feeling it. That should do. I did get one the other day, so I don't want to waste too much time on that. Seems the sun's gone out now. And we've also run out of time. So it's been an hour, officially an hour. And honestly, I got quite a lot more photos than I thought. Especially like going to a location where I've never been, because I have to spend time trying to find the good spots first. Whereas if it's somewhere I know, I can just run to the spots where I know I'm going to get subjects. Whereas here, I had no idea. I had to just hope for the best. And it turned out pretty good. But yeah, I'm going to call today's video here. So if you've enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.